all, so today I have come up with a brilliant app and I'm so excited to introduce it to you. So this app is actually going to help you all in practicing English better. So I'm sure the best way to start learning a language, be it any language, is to start practicing it, right? You know, most of you would shy away in practicing, thinking your friend or your partner will laugh at you or mock you or make fun of you, because of which you are, you stop yourself from trying it, thinking, you would make a mistake and, all of that things. This app, which I'm going to introduce right now, is going to actually erase off all of you these worries. I'll just show you what it is, okay? So the name of the app is English Conversation Practice. So it's available both on Play Store and App Store. So I'll just guide you through it, okay? So you can just find all these instructions and this next to my video. So here, when you open the app, you will see that you have like a lot of situations, okay, so in which you can use your conversation. So we have trips and vacations, eating related topics, and family and friends, and talking about kids and all of that. So we have like a lot of lists. So, and from that you can choose one. I've chose the first one, that's trips and picnics, and in that I've taken the trip to lake conversation. So yeah. So as you can see, we have like a conversation over here. Just listen to the conversation, okay?
Can we have a picnic this afternoon? Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it? How about the lake? That's a great idea. What should we pack for lunch? I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad. Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad.
And now there is an option for quiz, and we'll just take the quiz. And then we have a tab for practicing it. And this is what I wanted to show you all. So I'll just tell you how this works, okay? So now we have two characters over here, that's Kathy and Mom. So now you have to choose a practice partner. So I'll choose Mom, which means I'll be Kathy, and then I'll practice, okay? So I'll just show how it works. Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for lunch?
I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Okay, so I hope you got an idea about how this works. So it's really interesting, right? You get a partner and then, you don't need to be hesitant or anything. You can just right away start practicing, and it'll actually improve your, fluency and accent as well. So next we have a record option, in which we will again, practice the same way, but this will be recorded. So in this case, what happens is you can listen to your recordings and, you will understand how you have improved over time. So let's say after like 1 or 2 months, when you're listening to those, you will really understand the kind of improvement that you had. So, and this page is actually going to help you. I'll just show you a small, example how this works. So we press this record button and it starts recording. Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon?
Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea. Joining us? Where is he?
Oh, he is taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
Okay, so that was it. So I just recorded it, and they'll ask like if you want to save it or not. So I just saved it, and now you guys can hear, okay?
Mom, can we have a picnic this afternoon? Sure, Kathy. Where should we have it?
How about the lake?
That's a great idea.
What should we pack for the lunch?
I can make ham sandwiches and potato salad.
Yummy! I love ham sandwiches and potato salad. Oh, he is taking a nap on the couch.
Let's wake him up.
Okay. So yeah, so I hope this was useful, and I'm sure if you're practicing it regularly, it's really going to benefit you in the long run. And I'll just add the link if you want to download it. I'll add the link in the description box below.